Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna bring you guys some POV vlog and some Insta 360. I have it all set up right now in the back, and I just got off work, so I'm gonna bring you guys along in this new POV slash 360 camera. So let me know how it goes, and if you like this kind of video, please drop a like, share, and subscribe, and I'll do more. Let's get this co-star started. Alright guys, let's put this in drag mode and see where this goes. Let's see if we do it again. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this nighttime POV driving with the Insta 360. Let me know how you guys like this kind of content, and I'll do more. I'm not sure. I'm trying to like play around and see, you know, what kind of content I like to do. But I feel like I like doing this POV and like the Insta 360 camera in the back, and kind of mix it up sometimes. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this kind of content, and I'll do more. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.